we're back. I'm here again to rant and continue with my series of luxury revolution started by I'll tag her name here. And this video comes in the wake of just learning and confirming that Tiffany now charges for cleaning and rejuvenating your tarnished silver jewelry. A quick disclaimer though, I purchased these items out of my own will, knowing full well that in the future, probably, I was expecting not so soon, that Tiffany will eventually be charging for the cleaning, what do you call that? Rejuvenating or removing the tarnish on their silver jewelry. And of course, every brand, every business have to consider the costs, the time, etc. that it eats up from their businesses. But here's my thing though, and this is my rant. So knowing full well that what I'm purchasing is silver jewelry, and I know that silver tarnishes over time, and I know now that Tiffany and Co silver tarnishes faster and not so well, supposed to the Hermes silver jewelry. There you go. So yeah, Hermes creates better silver jewelry. My point is, knowing full well that they tarnish over time, I've considered it, and some of you may say, why buy the silver jewelry then? Why not go for the gold? Ambitious peasant ka, diba? Ambisyosa. So I can't afford the gold ones, but I want to get into Tiffany and Co world. And for most people, especially for the younger ones, the entry point to Tiffany would be their silver jewelry line. So these are relatively affordable jewelry. So these are their entry point into the Tiffany and Co world. So as teenagers, they can get this, they can buy this from their allowances, they can ask their parents to buy it for them as a gift, etc., etc. Now, as they move on and move up in their careers, in their businesses, getting their inheritances, getting access to their trust funds as they grow older, then, the spending, we all know this is plain economics, the spending now begins to, they tend to go higher up and up. Now, like what I said, this is an entry point. The next purchase for them, the tendency is for them to go for the precious metals like gold, platinum, I don't know. So they can go into the precious metal jewelry, and then eventually they can even go as high up to the high jewelry line. So, I don't know what the direction is. Perhaps Tiffany wants to veer away from their accessible line, and they want to focus on high jewelry, as is with Bulgari, etc., etc. But again, before the acquisition of Tiffany by LVMH, and this is me again having my beef with LVMH, that's a personal thing, so don't make, it's nothing big. Before the acquisition, you will find older or vintage jewelry that would say return to Tiffany, and correct me if I'm wrong, I believe that came from the fact that when they sell these jewelry to people, the tendency is for, return to Tiffany and we will have the jewelry cleaned up for you, and, try their best to make it as back to brand new or as close to like new. So that's what my essay also said to me. I'm not gonna flash, not gonna do a screenshot of my conversation with my sales associate, because I respect her and she's a very good, SA to me. I'm not gonna put her work, in jeopardy for whatever reason. But yeah, so again, beware. So before buying silver Tiffany jewelry, especially for the ones who are ordering them online, I don't know if there's if they have a website or an online shop in your country, in your region. I'm sure if you go to the store and ask for these jewelry, ask for these, they will inform you that, about the changes that starting March 1, 2025, they now charge for the cleaning and are rejuvenating of these jewelry. So if you're buying online, then please watch this video first so that you will know what you're going into. So it's going to be a lifetime of maintenance and upkeep for these jewelry. For this one, I have a silver cleaner. I have a solution, so that's very easy to clean. But for this one, it's gonna be tough because this is a little. It's bigger, it's heftier, it's harder to clean. So it sucks. Yeah. So I mean, I love my Elsa Peretti. I love Elsa Peretti, and yeah, it's because of Elsa Peretti that I bought this bone cuff bracelet. So yeah, and yeah, that's my rant. That's our rant for today. Have a good day, everybody. Bye.